It's really easy when you just have like one thing to take care of. But I can hold 2 and 3 and 4. Then sometimes got it. No, it's fine. I only dropped 1. So I have, most of my stuff, but now how do I use this with inventory software? Okay, so if we don't know what to do, if we don't know how to use software, we don't know how to get started, we should go get some help. Oh, I got an idea. I got you something.
Hi, I'm an implementer. We love to help get set up. You can help with your part numbers, your locations, your business processes, and even entering data. It's great.
Oh, that was so helpful.
All right, to get started with software, the first thing you want to do is track your part numbers. That gives you the ability to record what's coming in and going out of your warehouse each day.
But what if they don't know what to do still?
So the best way to get set up with any system out there is to rely on the experts. When the implementer comes out, they're going to help you from install to go live and everything in between, from part numbering schemas to importing data to looking at your workflows. They'll be able to give you counsel and recommendations on the best way to get things done.
There are people out there that want to teach you how to use the software, and they're good at it. And that's...
I can help you.
Just wait.
I can teach you.
Hold on.
I can teach you.
I'm James. This
I
is
can teach
Whiteboard
you.
Wednesday.